Today on the channel, I'll show you how to make your laptop or computer use the discrete graphics card instead of the integrated one. Right? To do this, right-click on the Start button. Click on Device Manager here, okay? Device Manager. And here we'll see. Now we'll see. Okay. Display adapters. Here's Intel UHD graphics and RTX 2060. So in my case, it's NVIDIA, but AMD works the same way. To make sure the discrete graphics card is being used, right-click on the desktop, click Show More Options, then click NVIDIA Control Panel. Right? All right, let's wait for it to load. Here we click on Manage 3D Settings, and here we select, as you can see, instead of Auto Select, we choose the NVIDIA High Performance Processor. Just like that. And then your device will use the most powerful graphics card. There you go. That's all for now. This has been. See you all later.